Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARYC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. The big update here was that the price did a good job of maintaining the gains. What do I mean by that? Well, this green candle right here was the final 30 minutes from Tuesday, and there's no doubt about it. That was a very, very big move. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, then I'm sure you've seen moves like this that do occur. Like, wow, that was a great move. And then all of a sudden the price goes right back to where it started. Or in some cases, it just goes even lower. But that wasn't the case here. The price actually maintained those gains, and is the reason why I'm going to adjust this level of support up right here to basically 0.048, give or take a little bit. But yeah, I'm not even going to count the number of times, but the whole bunch of times, I'll just say that the bears try to press down below that area. But again, to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong, and that's definitely what you would want to see and what did indeed happen today. So 0.048 going to be that newest and ideal level that you would now want to see strong for the simple reasoning, and I'm not saying this will happen, but just to explain the reasoning. If the price were to drop below there, or worse yet, continue on down, at that point in time, that's essentially putting the price right back where it was before the bounce happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas, the price could still technically go down here and then once again go sideways and start to work its way back upwards. And in that instance, you still would have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there if you picture those as stair steps. Overall, you'd still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see happen going forward. You need to see progress being made forward. As far as levels of resistance, nothing new here to report. I talked about this red line on Tuesday, being a level of resistance right up there around 6 cents, and you can see that is right where the price was rejected down. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can never get back up above 6 cents. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price ultimately did find some resistance right there. So keep a close eye on that. Overall, though, nice movement today. Good to see that the price was able to maintain that final 30 minutes from Tuesday, and we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.